If you want to fake a hickey and make it look convincing, use an empty plastic 2-liter bottle. Hold the bottle around the middle with both hands and squeeze it to push air out of the bottle. Keep applying steady pressure as you place the mouth of the bottle against your skin where you want the hickey to go. Then, loosen your hold on the bottle to create suction against your skin. Hold the bottle in place for 15 seconds before pulling it away from your skin. Your fake hickey should last for several days before it starts to fade away, just like a real hickey. If you'd prefer a fake hickey that you can wash off, grab an eyeshadow palette that includes the colors dark pink, dark purple, and dark blue. Then, use a small makeup brush to apply a light dusting of pink eyeshadow in an oval shape where you want the hickey to go. Brush a layer of purple eyeshadow directly on top of the pink oval to add dimension to the hickey. Blend out the purple edges so your hickey doesn't have any hard lines. Then, brush on a very light layer of blue eyeshadow for added realism. Once you're happy with the way the hickey looks, mist the area with a thin layer of hairspray or makeup setting spray to lock the makeup in place. When you're ready to remove the hickey, wash off the makeup with warm water and facial cleanser.